Well, at Labor Day, the summer is officially over. Time for the children to go back to school. Back to the grind. Boy, oh boy. It seemed like the years go by so fast now. I can remember when it seemed like summer lasted forever. But going back to school, I wonder if anybody knows the real meaning of Labor Day. What is the real meaning of Labor Day? It's um it's a holiday that was signed into a federal law in 1894 to celebrate the achievements of the American worker and their resilience to organize labor unions for better working conditions.